Hi everyone, I'm Dave Paulsen with the Big Rock Pickleball community here in Santee. Welcome to our pickleball courts at Big Rock Park. In this video we are highlighting some of our court improvements we've made the last 3 years here. At the corner of Court 1, and you see one of the improvements we've made. We've squared off the corners to create more room and space for 8 pickleball courts. Also on Court 1, as we move this way, we have a nice bulletin board which provides information on pickleball guidelines, our clinic, and our pickleball tournament and our fundraising program here at Big Rock Park. Another one of the improvements is our paddleboard system. Oftentimes we have 32 people playing and another 30 people waiting. So this is the waiting line in essence to get into the pickleball courts. Another great improvement here at Big Rock Park is we have 5 gates to enter the exterior fences. The old tennis courts only had 2 gates, which was fine for 2 to 8 people playing on the surface. But we have 32 people coming and going here, going through the gates. If you see the interior of the court, another improvement is interior fencing and interior gating. We have 8 pickleball courts and they are divided into 4 quadrants. And so the balls are maintained within the two courts, and it provides player safety as well. So if you are moving back and forth, you don't run into other players. These are new nets as of a couple of years ago, which are long-lasting nets. Our temporary nets kind of fell apart after 5 or 10 years, and these nets are in great shape. Lastly, and most importantly, we've resurfaced the courts. You see the beautiful green and blue colors here. It adds more texture to the court. We used to slide and slip around on the old surface because it hadn't been redone for a while. So we have more texture. We also have the lines that are defined for pickleball only here on the court. If you're interested in more information or seeing the videos, go to the City of Santee website, and you'll see all the videos on the City of Santee website under the Parks page and the Pickleball subpage. Come out and play.